Curious if JavaScript still matters in 2025? Stick around, and I'll reveal how it's shaping the future of tech and why learning it now could be the smartest move you'll make. You won't want to miss what's coming. First, let's look at some quick facts about JavaScript. Created in 1995 by Brendan Eich, it started as a simple scripting language for browsers. Today, it's one of the most popular languages, topping charts in surveys like Stack Overflow and the TIOB Index. JavaScript's strength lies in its flexibility, powering front-end, back-end, and even mobile development. It's beginner-friendly, widely used, and continues to dominate the developer world. Now, let's dive into some key JavaScript concepts. I'll break it down into bite-sized parts to get you started. Variables are like boxes to store things, and you have three kinds: let, const, and the old var. Let is a regular box. You can change what's inside anytime. Const is a locked box. Once you put something in, you can't change it. And var is the old wobbly box. It works, but can be a bit tricky. So choose your box carefully. Loops help you repeat tasks efficiently. For example, using a for of loop, you can iterate over arrays easily. Functions are reusable blocks of code that perform specific tasks. With ES6, you can use arrow functions to write more concise code. A promise represents a future value. For instance, fetching data from an API is a promise. It's a cleaner way to handle promises and makes async code look synchronous. Streams allow you to process large chunks of data piece by piece instead of loading everything at once, which is crucial for efficiency in handling big files. Let's see where JavaScript really shines in the tech world. JavaScript powers modern web development, with frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue driving dynamic websites. React, created by Facebook in 2013, introduced a component-based architecture and virtual DOM, making it a top choice for developers worldwide, from social media to enterprise apps. Angular, launched by Google in 2010 as AngularJS and revamped in 2016, is a full-featured framework, ideal for large organizations needing scalable, maintainable web apps. Vue, released in 2014 by Evan You, offers flexibility and ease of integration, making it popular in startups and Asia, providing a lightweight alternative with powerful, reactive features. Node.js enables scalable backend development with JavaScript, supporting full-stack projects. Express, launched in 2010, simplifies server-side tasks by offering a minimal framework for building APIs, managing routes, and creating RESTful services. It's often paired with front-end tools like React in modern web apps. React Native enables cross-platform iOS and Android app development with JavaScript. Expo, launched in 2015, simplifies app building, offering easy access to native features like the camera and notifications. Libraries such as Phaser and Three.js let you create 2D and 3D games that run directly in the browser, bringing gaming to life without any plugins. Platforms like Johnny 5, launched in 2013, let developers control hardware using JavaScript, showcasing its versatility. This allows for building applications that interact with devices and sensors, extending JavaScript beyond web development. Looking to master JavaScript? Consider taking certifications like the Meta Front-End Developer Professional Certificate or IBM's Full Stack Cloud Developer Certificate. These will boost your resume and deepen your understanding of the language. JavaScript is a must-have skill, whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your coding toolkit. It's powerful, flexible, and drives the modern web. So, if you're ready to dive in, like and subscribe for more quick guides and tips. Thank you for watching, and keep glowing with Code Gleam.